soon to shoot
Day
India's
after,
next
yeah.
film with Ranbir. Any thoughts about that? You're going to be teaming up with Ranbir, Imtiaz again after Love Aajkal. Looking forward to it?
Absolutely, I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous, like it's almost my first film for some reason. Ranbir has been a fantastic co-star and we've done a beautiful movie together. And Imtiaz again gave me one of my most memorable movies in Love Aajkal. And so now getting to work with the two of them together, and Rockstar is again one of my most favorite films. So I'm really getting that, that feeling when you're really excited about something, butterflies in the stomach, like almost like it's my first film.
Ma'am, आप और कैटरीना last 6 years से ताज जीतती आ रही है.
ताज
तो अवार्ड जीतती आ रही है, तो आज आप जीत गई, कैसा लग रहा है? बिकॉज हमने रिसेंटली देखा आप और कैटरीना you all have worked, and what is your take on that?
I think she's absolutely stunning. She's extremely beautiful and she's very, very talented. And she deserves to have won for all the times that she has. And like I said, one can't take these things very seriously. So I'm sure this year, if it's me, next year it will be someone else.
So for Deepika, who is sexy? पूछो पूछो दीपिका एक आपसे लिंकअप क्वेश्चन है आपको.
Guys, one at a time.
Are you still single or you are going on with someone?
What kind of a question is that? Are you seeing somebody?
क्योंकि आपके लिंक खबरें हैं वो आती रहती हैं रणबीर के साथ स्टार के साथ. और अभी जानना चाहती कि क्या दीपिका सिंगल है स्टार?
क्यों जानना चाहते हो आप? Such a boring question. Please move on from this question. Which one? See, I think the media very conveniently takes grabs of some random thing. I've always said that we've been very, very cordial with each other, and that's not the one and only time that we've met. We've met several times. I guess a lot of times the media doesn't probably have access to say events where we probably have met and we have spoken, and that's about it. You can't really make anything out of a random clip that's come out of nowhere.
दीपिका दो सवाल, दीपिका एक सवाल पूछो.
Preeti Zinta's case is staying in the center stage. It's been making a lot of news.
Why are you asking me these questions?
यार आपको बोलना चाहिए.
Because she went on Facebook and she had a very emotional sort of a outburst, if I can say so, on Facebook, commenting about her place as an actress in the industry and also as a woman in the industry.
आपने भी कभी इस तरह की जेंडर जो डिस्पैरिटी वो कभी फेस की है? इस पे ओवरऑल जो हमारे इंडिया का पर्सोना है, इस पे आपकी क्या राय है कि विमेन के बारे में हम जिस तरह से लोग देखते हैं?
I need to answer one of your questions because your questions are very different.
Basically, she spoke about her place in the industry as a woman, as an actress. Sometimes she's felt the disparity. You've always spoken about it. You've always spoken about. Priyanka has talked about the disparity in pay. And respecting a lot of those things, she had a very emotional outburst. Also keeping in mind the controversy that's happening with the legal case. What do you have to say about that? All encompassing about the case and about the kind of treatment given to that.
See, I don't think it's my place to be commenting on anybody's personal space, and what's happened, what's not happened is none of my business. What I can applaud her for is the fact that I've always believed that she's a very, very strong woman, and I appreciate her for that. And I'm not saying this in context to what you're particularly asking me about, but I've always admired her for the fact that she's always been very, very outspoken. She's always stood for what is right. She's never shied away from standing up for what is correct, and I respect her for that.